Hey guys, welcome to my class. My name is Smriti, your coach from Service Knowledge is present here. Today we will learn the power resources and this is the part 2 of this chapter. So, in the previous classes we have learned these two pages in which we have learned why is power useful, the types of power resources and about the conventional resource, that is the first resource. Today we will learn about the second resource, that is non-conventional resource. So what is non-conventional resource? Non-conventional resources of power are those resources that are less polluting and environment friendly and are known as the energy of the future. Non-conventional sources पावर के वो रिसोर्सेज होते हैं जो कि ज़्यादा पल्यूट नहीं करते और एनवायरमेंट फ्रेंडली होते हैं और वो फ्यूचर की एनर्जी बुलाया जाता है. So we have the main non-conventional sources of energy: the solar energy, geothermal energy, tidal energy, biogas, and nuclear energy. We will learn this about in today's class. So solar energy. First, we will learn about the solar energy. Solar energy is the energy that is derived from the sun. It is a non-exhaustible or renewable resource and non-polluting source of energy. It is widely available in tropical countries which experience a lot of sunlight. Solar cells, that are also known as photovoltaic cells, are also joined to form solar panels which convert solar energy into electricity. Solar energy is used in solar cookers, water heaters, solar dryers, street lights, water pumps, and other low energy consuming items. Although solar energy is abundantly available, the high cost of collection, conversion, and storage restricts its use. Now we will learn about the wind energy. I forgot to write here the wind energy. What a minute. Wind energy. What is wind energy? Wind energy is the energy that is produced from wind. And wind is a free renewable source of energy that is non-polluting. And high-speed winds rotate windmills which are connected to generators that produce electricity. Wind farms serving the clusters of windmills are developed in coastal regions and in mountain passes, and where strong winds blow. They are found in which country? Netherlands, Germany, UK, USA, Denmark, China, and India. Now, geothermal energy. The energy that is derived from the interior of the Earth's surface is called geothermal energy. It is a renewable and non-polluting energy. The temperature deep inside the Earth is very high. At times, the surface water penetrates into the crust, where it turns into steam due to intense heat. This steam comes out in the form of hot springs or gases. Magma also condenses the water, which is released in the form of steam, and this can be utilized for generating electricity. Like USA, New Zealand, Iceland, Philippines, and Central America also produce the geothermal energy. And in India, if we will talk about geothermal energy, are located hot water springs in Manikaram, in Himachal Pradesh, and Puja valleys in Ladakh. Now we will learn about the next, that is tidal energy. Tidal energy is a renewable source of energy produced. Tidal energy is a renewable source of energy produced by the surge of ocean water during the rise and fall of tides. If we will talk about during the 20th century, engineers developed ways to use tidal movement in the ocean bodies to generate the electricity, especially in areas where there is significant tidal range. The difference in area between high and tide and low tide. All methods use special generators to convert tidal energy into electricity. Now, the amount of power produced so far has been insignificant. There are very few commercial-sized tidal power plants operating in the world. The first tidal power plant located in La France, that is in France. The largest facility in the Siwa Lake Tidal Power Station in South Korea. Is it South Korea? Yes. The United States has no tidal plant, and only a few sites where tidal energy could be harnessed at a reasonable price. Like China, France, England, and Canada and Russia have much more potential to use this source of energy. Now we will learn about the tidal energy in which there is the tidal power in India. How is tidal power in India? According to the estimates of the Ministry of Power, the country has a potential of approximately to 8,000 MW of tidal energy. This includes 7,000 MW in the Gulf of Cambay, that is in Gujarat, 1,200 MW in the Gulf of Kutch, and 100 MW in the Gangetic Delta in the Sundarban region of West Bengal. Now we will learn about the biogas. Organic waste such as human and animal waste, dead plants and kitchen waste can be converted into biogas, which is used as fuel for cooking, to produce electricity and for use producing organic manure. Biogas digesters. What are digesters? Digester is a container in which substances are treated with heat, enzyme or solvent in order to promote decomposition or extract essential components that are used to decompose the organic waste by bacteria and produce biogas, which is a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. India is the leading producer of biogas. Like the advantages of biogas are that it is cheap fuel and utilizes waste also. But its disadvantage is that it produces carbon dioxide, which can cause the greenhouse effect. Now we will learn about the nuclear energy. Nuclear energy generated when the nuclei of atoms of certain elements like uranium and thorium are broken into nuclear reactors. What's nuclei? Nuclei is the warming of the central part of an atom. Already the central part of an atom consists of protons and neutrons. But protons and neutrons, I will tell you when you will go to the higher classes, like in 9th, 10th. Okay. Now, it remains this amount of heat is generated in this process, that is used to heat water to further generate the steam. So this steam is used to run generator to produce the electricity. Next, the nuclear power plant requires very little fuel and cause lesser pollution than coal-based plants. The risk, however, is of harmful radiation that is generated. Also, the cost of setting up nuclear power plants is very high. The USA, UK, Russia, France, and Germany are the major producer of nuclear power. In India, uranium is found in Jharkhand and Rajasthan, and thorium in Kerala. The nuclear power plants that are in India are located in the Tarapur, Maharashtra, Kalpakam, Tamil Nadu, Kota and Rathbata in Rajasthan, Narora in Uttar Pradesh, Kakrapur in Gujarat, and Kaiga in Karnataka. So in the next class we will learn about the conservation of power resources and distribution of minerals and power resources in the world. So for today this much. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.